Am I smart? Let me know if I'm smart or dumb. Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. So I finally decided to do my kitchen makeover, and this is just where I'm starting from, decluttering, taking my kitchen into my living room and showing you behind the scene of how I get this kitchen makeover done. So stay tuned for the kitchen makeover video as well. Okay, so I'm cleaning out under this cupboard finally. So this is a gallon bleach that I purchased. I'll find a way how to organize these stuff. This is a sanitizer. It's a food agent. I purchased this about 2 years now when COVID just started and I rarely use it. So I think I have bleach in this bottle, so that I have to organize. This is an empty bottle throwaway. Bleach bottle throwaway. I think bleach is in this bottle. This can throw away. These were some cleaning rags I used, and I throw away all of them something here. You know, so I buy one silicone something recently, and I have this under here, so I just buy one. I think when today I went Sunday, yesterday I buy one. See there? I have one already here, so but it's just that I don't have the gun for it. So this is what happens when you not organize your space. With this, you know, said this I want powder something. What is wardrobe unifier? You know, said this I saw little pebbles. This I look for it get big and thick. That is to show you say under here, so they have some material. Let me pull it and show you. Wait, do it traps moisture and so. Product should last. You see actually, because it never thin there, you know. So I still up. Oh, it's still good enough. So you hang it up and then the water go down here. So yeah, it's still good. I'm not sure it way. It's a wardrobe humidifier. See them something here? Have them rolled out. See there, wardrobe humidifier. So what it do, it absorb up to 3 times its own weight. It trap excess moisture and eliminate musty odor. So like me, we have the water problem or the cold problem sometimes. This is good. So I ain't throwing away that. This is going to the bathroom. So, okay. kitchen is in my living room now. So the table, here. Over here, my TV area, plates and stuff. Oh, these are the stuff that I get to do the kitchen. So I have this white spray paint. I bought it for the stove, and I bought some hooks. These are to do some organization. I got a roller. I got painter's tape. I got silicone. I don't want nothing break now, you know. I got painter's tape. I got this tile grout. So this is for the countertop tile grout, and I got silicone as well. So the living room, I have to remove the rug because I go slide the pantry out here, the fridge and the washer and the stove. And see, this is my kitchen. Most of them something here. I go organize and throw because I go buy some new pots. Yeah. So let's see the kitchen. See it. So this is where we're at. So I spray some stuff under there, so there's a clean up. I still a thing I'm gonna put under there. So under here, so you see cabinet, so I have to go wipe off them grease here and stuff. Every time I wipe it off, it just look back awful. Under there, so I might just paint the board there. The cupboard empty. Yeah. Cupboard empty. Yeah. Stove top, may I clean the stove top? No, I might have to paint the side of it and the front, cause see there some rust a show. Stove still good and everything, but I have rust issue now. Probably years. How long I have a stove here now? About I have a stove here about 8 years now. I go wipe off the wall. If you can see a few little grease spots there, I go wipe off that. Cause I paint in here na Christmas and I not paint over in here. That is why I decided to paint the cabinet instead. So the cabinet there, cause me go use over cleaner and spray upon it to take off some grease and take off even the varnish off it. So all of this I go get done. See here, the tile countertop. This is what I ate. So these chip marks, I'm tired of them, it annoy me. So I'm going to fill them, grout, and then we paint. Backsplash, our wall of concrete, and I like overseas when I have the drywall where the backsplash is. If we go on it, we have to know what we're doing here with concrete. I'm going to see if I can get something to put over the stove area and all that. I wait for them here for dry, to put them out there. So and thing, the washing machine I go come out, the fridge I go come out. Oh, this I go come out as well. I go clean off the top of this. I wanted to paint this in white as well, but me telling the truth, based on the import fabric, based on the material, me not sure if it I go take the paint. The flooring, me tired of the floor here. So see there, them there are no dirt, are some chip, the tile chip, so me ate it. So this one is swimming with how long now. This is finally for the kitchen flooring. So you can picture it now. Before, see it there. Alright. Oh, I forgot to take down them then now, no? Yeah, I gotta take down them too, something there. Alright, so that's that. Okay, so these were on top of the cabinet. Look at the grease marks. Look there, this is a white box. Look at it. Let me know if there's anything to prevent stuff like these with this grease. Oh my gosh. The grease will kill me. And then I go put in here in a white. Am I smart? Let me know if I'm smart or dumb to put this kitchen in white. Well, that's the only thing I can do right now because the cabinet strip bad.